How you doing?
Good. So Carrie and Danny, what's going on here at Roxbury Village School today?
So, we are talking about the water table out in the forest today. We're talking about snow melt and how that influences just the water table and how much water is available locally. So we're going to be spending some time down at the stream and doing some measurements, taking some data, and making some conclusions about that.
And the whole school's doing that?
Yes.
Same stuff?
We're partnering up the third graders with some of the kindergartners and then the first and second graders as well.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And this happens how often? How often do we leave the school to go in the forest?
Every Friday from about this time, 9:30 to 10:30, 10:45. And we've been studying in the forest. We've been studying so many things. We're studying hibernation patterns.
Some bugs and
Wait! Guys, be quiet! I hear
in the stream, like what we can find with little critters we can find in the stream.
I need something to drink.
We've been aging the forest, talking about how to identify certain trees.
Yeah, I hear birds.
Just all kinds of things that are available to us locally. So, yeah.
What do you all think about going out in the forest every Friday?
It's fun.
Yeah? Why?
Some of the time we get to play a little and explore.
So we do some exploration.
Can't be in a forest without exploring. It's going to be a little slippery today. What do you guys think? Think we're going to make it?
Yeah.
Hear me put your hands on your stomach.
Yeah, he did.
You can hear me put your hands on your chin. Thank you. I can tell there's a lot of excitement to be here in the forest right now. So I just wanted to remember and remind y'all that we're walking along the road. So find a partner to walk with. Make sure we're staying along the edge of the road. Paying attention to the cars coming before we get there. And the snow changed a lot from yesterday. It's super crunchy. So we're going to see if our snowshoe trail is going to help us out today. I'm hoping our snowshoe trail is like packed up and not doing.
Well, it's exactly like the state of Vermont. You're right.
When the rain stopped, Isaac raced the stream down the mountainside. Here he is, racing the water down the mountainside. Here goes our water down our stream over there. He followed them to the river that ran past his home. And then
In the shade or are we in the sun? Look up. Where did you say? So, not quite the sun, but it's pretty open, right? So where do you think we could record that?
On the sun?
Where it says measured in the sun, right? Because we're in an open area. So we're going to put, so what do you guys think? How would you read that?
I know. How 40 degrees. No, we didn't. What time is it? Oh.
it's 9:45.
And we are location working on it.
What are you guys doing?
So, did it rain yesterday, last night, or today? We think that yes.
Yeah, it was raining yesterday, remember?
Yeah,
Rain
so
on here?
then
Yeah.
we need to do the snow. Do you think the snow is mud or dry? No wind, gentle breeze, gale.
Oh, so you're doing the temperature part. What was the influence you think the rain had on the snow?
We're going to measure that with sensors.
What do you think? Did you notice that it was harder when you walked out here?
Yeah.
Like right here?
Yeah.
How does that happen? How does snow come from really soft and fluffy to hard?
Water and more
Because
ice.
when it gets colder and colder, sometimes the water can freeze.
Ah, so maybe
And maybe the snow freezes a little bit, so it's also easier to walk on.
So what does that have to do with the rain from yesterday then? How did the rain influence the snow?
I don't know.
You just said something. You just said 2 words. You said colder and ice. What do you think?
The rain is really cold.
The rain came down
From the air.
from the air, and at night, what's the temperature do at night?
It's really cold.
Yeah. So the rain came down and made the snow kind of icy, didn't it? Because it froze a little bit more. It's so weird how one thing can have so many different states of matter. All right, I think you can answer these questions in your sleep.
Teddy! Teddy, watch this. Come over here.